All right. Here we have, as we said, today we're talking about voiceless and voiced sounds. And then we have the T sound. So you're going to understand what are the letters that may take T sound at the end when you conjugate the verb in the past simple tense. We have if the verb ends in a voiceless sound, P, K, S, sh, T, F, the ed is pronounced as T. Example, we have kiss. In past, we don't say kissed, we say kissed. Wash, we don't say washed, we say washed. Kissed, washed. Watch, we don't say watched, we say watched. Watched. Help, we don't say helped. Yesterday I helped my brother. No, no, no. Yesterday I helped my brother.